There is no denial that the websites like Fiverr, Upwork and Freelancer have so much competition, and for a newbie freelancer it is very hard to get clients. So if you all want to know more about some of the alternatives to these platforms, then you are at the right place. So hello everyone, welcome back to the channel or welcome to the channel, and in today's video we are going to talk about some of the alternatives to these mainstream platforms for freelancing. So without further ado, let's roll the intro. So let's talk about the alternative to our beloved Fiverr, which is people per hour. This is a website which works on the path of Fiverr. I mean, the website in itself have gigs and the buyers could reach out to you only for their works to be done. This is my favorite platform to compare to all the platforms which I'm going to talk about today. The thing about this platform is that it is somehow more professional than compared to the other platforms, and because the buyer in itself are more professional and you gotta be more professional too for your works and the gigs. That means even though there is less competition, you are gonna get paid good enough in comparison to the other platforms. But when you're gonna make a portfolio on this platform, or in this case application, the platform in itself will verify you that even if you are capable of being a seller on this platform or not. And sometimes you're gonna get rejected, so be ready for it and be presentable even when you are going to sign up for this platform. Okay, so now let's talk about the second platform, which is Guru. If you're finding Upwork as your go-to freelancing platform, then this platform is also going to give you the same experience minus the competition. The platform also works on the bidding model on which Upwork works, where you have been given a certain amount of bids which you can use to apply for the jobs. The thing which I love about this platform is that unlike other platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, which charges 20% fees for every time you make an income as a freelancer, this platform in itself charges only 9%. So it is very good for the freelancers who are bothered by 20% rule. Me personally, I was bothered by 20% rule, but on the other hand, the platform is providing you the buyers and you don't have to do anything to connect for these buyers. So sometimes this 20% rule is justifiable, but if you are making only $5 or $10, then sometimes that 20% rule can be pain in the ass. So yeah, you can check out that platform too if you want to. Okay, so now let's talk about the third platform, which is Freelancer. Now, as you all would have guessed for which platform this platform is alternative to, this platform in itself looks like Freelancer only. And this platform is not that old and is new and doesn't have that much of a user base, so it uses ads, which is bothering. But there are some people, and not some people but many people, who are making $6 or $7 per hour on this platform. So you can check out this platform too if you want to. Now I want to mention one more platform which is not like typical platforms like Fiverr, Upwork or Freelancer, and is not alternative to other platforms, but I just want to mention it, which is TopTal. This is the most professional and the most underrated platform, because for sure not many people would have heard about this platform. But this platform offers you to work with big MNCs like Motorola, Duolingo and many others. This platform has a 3% freelancer section, where if you are a part of 3% freelancer of this platform, then you have a chance to work with these companies. So do give it a try too. I have always been a bit skeptical about these platforms because of heavy competition, and have always opted for social media websites for getting clients. But there is no denying in it too that even though the platforms like Fiverr, Upwork or Freelancer have a lot of competition because of many sellers, there are also so much buyers too. If you know what you are selling, and if you can find any niche which has a low competition and there is so much buyers too for that niche, then you can pretty much be successful on these platforms too. The thing about newbie freelancers is that they don't know about other niches apart from the famous ones like web development, web designing and video editing, which have a very high competition, but don't know about the niches which have less competition and higher growth, like business analyst and package designing and many others. So apart from looking for the platforms which have less competition, look for those skills too which has less competition and has higher growth rate. Okay, so these are my thoughts on these platforms. Let me know about your thoughts in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to read them and to answer them. And if you all want to know about how to get your first client as a freelancer, then you can watch my other video at the end screen. And if you have liked this video, then please like, share and subscribe to the channel, because it gives a lot of confidence for making out these videos regularly. Until then, I'll meet you in the next one. Peace.